Good day. Our topic for today is arithmetics. 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 So I am going to teach the order of operation. So the order at which the operations are carried out in mathematics. That is, they're carrying out mathematical operations. So let's look at the order of operation first. Order of operations. Order of operations. Okay. So in the order of operations, there's an acronym called BODMAS. BODMAS. So this is the order of operations. So it tells us the correct order to carry out mathematical operations. So if you want to carry out mathematical operation, you follow the order. B stands for brackets. So you check the operation, you check the arithmetic, there's a bracket, you did with that one first. Then O means orders. So other operations apart from division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, all other operations are under O, orders. Then D stands for division. So followed by M. M stands for multiplication. Okay, then we have the A, which is addition. So addition. Then the last one is S, which is subtraction. So anytime you want to carry out mathematical operation, it must be in this order. It must be in order. We have B for brackets, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, and S for addition, and A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay. So the example of the order operations, let me give you the example of that one. Like when you have 2/3 of 60. You see off. This off means multiplication. In the real sense, it's going to be 2/3 times 60/1 if you want to work it out. So all other operations, apart from division, multiplication, addition, and subtractions, they are under orders. So immediately after you have removed the bracket, the next is for you to check if there are other operations there. You take care of it then before you continue. So let's now look at the example. Let's look at the example. And give the example. Okay, examples. Work out 1. 20 minus 3 times 4. 20 minus 3 times 4. Here we have two operations, BODMAS. So we have two operations, we have subtraction, we have multiplication. So check, look at the order of operation here. We have BODMAS. So from this operation, we have subtraction here, you have multiplication here, which means multiplication comes before subtraction. So you are going to carry out the operation of multiplication first before you now come back to subtraction. Okay, now let's check what is going to be. So it's going to be 20 minus, then multiplication 3 times 4, that is 12. Now we are left with one operation now, that is subtraction. So you now subtract 12 from 20. So you are going to give you 8. So that is the correct answer. Okay. Now another example is let me give you another example. 30 divided by now open brackets 15 minus 12. Yes, here we have division and we have brackets. Okay, irrespective of operation inside the bracket, you must carry out that bracket first. You must clear the bracket. So you go like this: 30 divided by, then in the bracket we have subtraction, 12 from 15. So 15 minus 12, that will give you 3. Then you can now say 30 divided by 3, and that gives 10. Okay, now more example. Example 3. Let's go to, okay, I have 5 plus 1 times 3. 5 plus 1 times 3. Okay, so that will give you, so you have two operations there. BODMAS, BODMAS. You have two operations. So addition and multiplication. So multiplication first. It's going to be 5 plus the 1 times 3 is 3. So equals to 8. All right. Now another example is 35 divided by 5 plus 2. Okay, here we have two operations. We have division and we have subtraction. So here you have, so the two operations, we have division and addition. So division first. So let's go for division first. So you are going to divide 35 by 5. That gives you 7, then plus 2. So then the last operation here is addition. So now it's 7 plus 2. That's going to give you 9. Okay, more example, number 5. Yes, let me give you this. 5 times 6 minus 8 is minus 8 plus 2. No, it's minus 8 divided by 2. Divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. Okay, now we have 3 operations here, and the order of BODMAS, no brackets, then the next should be divisions, right? 5 times 6, then minus 8 divided by 2 before. So we are left with 2 operations. So between multiplication and subtraction, which one first? So see, the multiplication comes before subtraction. So we need to do multiplication first. 5 times 6. What is 5 times 6? It's going to give us 30 minus 4. Then 30 minus 4 will now give us 26. Okay. Now, another example is 20 minus bracket 5 times 3 plus 2. Yes. Look at this. Inside the bracket, we have two operations. You still need to follow the order. Inside that bracket, we follow the order there. So, from BODMAS, BODMAS, from BODMAS. So it's going to be bracket first, 20 minus. Inside the bracket, we have two operations. Let's clear them one after the other. We have two operations. So we have two operations here. We have multiplication, we have addition. So let's multiplication first. So it's now going to give us 5 times 3, that's 15, then plus 2. We are still on bracket because you have not yet removed the bracket. Go to 20 minus. So 15 plus 2 will give you 17. And when you subtract 17 from 20, 17 from 20, you are going to get 3. You're going to get 3. So that is how to go about it. Now, another one I want to give you, let me give you this one. Number 7. 16 divided by 4 by 4. 16 divided by, okay, divided by 4 times bracket 5 minus 3. Now look at this. We have 16. Then this division line. So 15 is divided by this one. Now 4 times 5 minus 3 in bracket. So you rewrite it like this. You need to rewrite it as 16. So this division line will be written as division sign. Then you now use big bracket because we have one bracket. Then you need to use square bracket, big bracket. So divide by 4 times then this small bracket 5 minus 3, close the bracket, then big bracket. Why I need to use big bracket? Because I already have one bracket there, small bracket. So I will need to use another big one that will enclose all the operations in the denominator. So all the operations in the denominator must be enclosed inside a bracket, a big bracket. So we have two brackets. You need to begin to remove the bracket one after the other because that's from the order of operation. So that is the first thing to do. So the first thing is to remove the bracket. So let's remove this small one. We have big bracket, we have the small one here. We are removing the small one. The operation inside that one is subtraction. So it's going to be 4 times, so 5 minus 3, that will give us 2. Okay, now we're going to have 16. We have not removed the bracket, we are still in bracket. So 4 times 2 will give us 8, and 8 divided by 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 will give us 16 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8 will give us 2. 16 divided by 8 will give us 2. Okay, so that is the correct answer. I will give you one more on this type of question. Okay, I have 12, number 8, 12 divided by, so 9 minus 5 all over 25 divided by 5. Yes. Okay, now you rewrite it in this way so that this division, you see, we have the division line. So this, everything here is numerator, so everything here is denominator. So let's put all the denominator inside big bracket. So we have, open big bracket, 12 divided by, open bracket, 9 minus 5, then we close it. So this one now, everything here is now the numerator. Now this division line, okay, we now change to division sign. Okay, then we now use bracket, 25 divided by 5. So you must know how to rewrite everything, how to write it like this. Okay, this division line you are saying, division sign you are seeing here is the one here, is this line here, this red line. Change to division sign. Okay, then the next is for us to deal with bracket. You know, from the order is BODMAS, bracket first, bracket. So, and the bracket is, we have two brackets, it's one after the other. Okay, now 12 divided by, okay, now let's clear this one now. Let's clear this bracket. So that is 9 minus 5. So it's going to give you 4. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. So we close the bracket. Divided by this one too. We can clear this bracket at the same time. So 25, see this one, 25 divided by 5. So it's going to give you 5. Okay, the next is we are still going to remove this bracket now. Still going to remove the bracket. So the operation inside the bracket is division. So 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. Divided by 5. So 3 divided by 5 is now 3 divided by 5 is now 3 over 5. That's the answer. But this can also be done in another way. If you cannot follow this, let me give you another way of doing it. So that another way of doing it. 12 divided by 9 minus 5, division 9, divided by 25 divided by 5. So you take care of the denominator. Everything here is denominator. Oh, sorry, everything here is numerator. And this 25 divided by 5 is denominator. So we have numerator 12 divided by bracket 9 minus 5, close the bracket. Then we have denominator. So you can take them one after the other and apply the order of operation, BODMAS. Apply the BODMAS up here, apply BODMAS down here. Okay, now let's go ahead and do it. Now for the numerator, we have bracket. We need to remove the bracket first. That is 12 divided by, in the bracket we have 9 minus 5, that is 4, over Then the operation under each denominator is just division. 25 now divided by 5. That will give us 5. Now, the operation that remain here now is now 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then over 5. I think this one is simpler than this. Let's check this. Look at this. How you go about it here. Yes. I think this one is a bit cumbersome. Is a bit there is a possibility of you making mistake here. But I think this one is simpler. Just follow it. Apply the BODMAS up and apply it down. So you arrive at a very simple fraction. Okay. One more on that. That's number 9. That's number 9. One more on that. Okay. Yes. 8 times 2 divided by 4 all over 5 minus 6 plus 7. So apply BODMAS on numerator, on the operations on the numerator, and also the operations on the denominator. So operation on the numerator here, we have multiplication and division. On the denominator, we have subtraction and addition. Listen again. I said on denominator, we have multiplication and division. In the denominator, we have subtraction and addition. So you apply BODMAS up here and you apply BODMAS down here. So let's start with numerator first. So the first one before division. Can you see division comes before multiplication? So division first. We are going to write 8 times then 2 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4. What will it be? What will it give you? You're going to give you 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Then this one, addition first. So it's going to be 5, then minus 6 plus 7. Don't make a mistake to say 6 plus 7. It is minus 6 plus 7 because it's the 6 that holds this minus. Okay? Minus 6 plus 7 means 1 plus 1. So, and the operation up is 8 times half. 2 here, you see 2? When 2 here 1, and 2 here 4. Okay, so we are left with 4. So the answer will be 4 over 6. 4 over 6. Okay, so I think, okay, the last one. Let me give you this last one. Let me give you the last one before I give you the assignment. That's number 10. 8 plus 2 divided by 15 divided by 3. Okay, so let's apply the law there. On the denominator, we have 8 plus 2. That is 10. In the numerator we have numerator we have 8 plus 2. Denominator we have 15. We have 15. 15 divided by 3. That's going to give us 5. And 10 divided by 5 give us 2. Okay. So, don't forget that it can also be written as 8 plus 2 divided by 15 divided by 3. So you apply brackets. Sorry, you clear the brackets. In the bracket, you have 8 plus 2. This is 10. Then divided by this bracket, we have 15 divided by 3. So it's going to be 5. Then 10 divided by 5, 2. So it could be like this, can be like this, or you do it like this. So you will get correct answer. In as much as you applied the BODMAS, the order of operation. You follow the order of operation. So now let me give you the assignment. I've given you the assignment. Before the assignment, let me do the recap of what we did so far. So we have order of operation. Don't forget order of operation. BODMAS is the order of operation. You follow that order. Otherwise, if you don't follow that order, you get wrong answer. But if you follow the correct order as given here, you are going to get the correct answer. Now, from the example here, I say 20 minus 3 times 4. Okay, so from 20 minus 3 times 4, here, you'd see that if you don't follow the order, and if you do subtraction before multiplication, you will say 20 minus 3, that will give you 17. You now say 17 times 4, which is wrong. Okay, so you need to follow, it is multiplication first, then subtraction. So multiplication, 3 times 4, you get 12. You now subtract 12 from 20, you get 8. Now here we have 30 divided by 15 minus 12 here. You clear the bracket, 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 give you 3. So when I divide 30 by 3, you get 10. And, okay, we also have 15 plus 1 times 3. So if you don't follow order of operation here, you can be tempted to say, 5 plus 1 times 3. 5 plus 1 times 3. You can say 5 plus 1 times 3. If you say 5 plus 1, it will be 6 times 3, which is going to be 18. It's wrong. But if you follow the order here, you know that M multiplication comes before A addition. So you carry out the operation first, do multiplication first, then before you now come to addition. That's how we come about 5 plus 3 and equals to 8. Okay, now 35 divided by 5 plus 2. So you need to division come first, then you now do addition. That is how we arrive at 9. Also, we have 5 times 6 minus 8 divided by 2. Don't follow the order. You will be tempted to say maybe 6 minus 8 minus 2. Now multiply by 5 minus 10 divided by 2. We're getting like minus 5, which is not correct. But when we follow the order, we have multiplication, we have subtraction, we have division. So division followed by multiplication and followed by subtraction. Also, we have 20 minus, see the bracket. In this bracket, the operation, we have 2 operations inside the bracket. If you don't follow the operation inside the bracket, if you don't follow it, you can be tempted to say 3 plus 5. Then 5 times 5, 25. Whereas it is wrong. It will be multiplication first before you do addition. So that's what will help you to get the correct answer. Okay. So Let's go to the so take this as class exercise and solve all the questions there. Make sure you follow the order of operation, BODMAS. Follow BODMAS for all of them. Then also this one, make sure you follow the order as I've taught you. So I will be expecting your comment. If anything is not clear to you, you get in touch with me on WhatsApp.